Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I'm back, guys, on behalf of Pure Profit Pro. I want to come to you, make a quick video real quick. I'm not 100% myself today. I'm a little congested. Got some sinuses going on, issues, but let's get this going. Let's get into it. All right, Pure Profit Pro. Okay. You landed here, obviously, because you're looking for a way to make income from home. That's what my channel is. It's affiliate marketing opportunities. That's what I do. Work from home as an affiliate marketer. Okay. So with this one, it's digital. Okay, digital education. All right. I kind of threw some notes together. It offers online digital education courses, step-by-step video training. Okay. This link, as you see, I'll explain what it is in a minute. Okay, I'm tracking with that. It's 100% commissions, guys. No middleman. It's direct sales member-to-member program. With this particular program, we have what we call a one-up comp plan. You pass up your first sale at the level you purchased. Okay, the minimum commission you can make here is $250. You will also make the level of the commission you invested once you pass up your qualifying sale. So you will always make at least what you invested in. Okay. And we've got 3 levels. 3 levels of education. 3 digital education courses. There's no monthly fees. You get paid instantly, daily. You know, if you get a sale, and you're going to get paid from the person that actually purchases the products. There's no middle person. Okay. So here's the 3 levels of education on the table. The $250 education is $250 plus $95, so it's $345 to get started in that education. Second level is $500 plus your $125 admin. These are admin fees, so it's going to be $625. Your third level is $1,000 level plus your $145 admin. You're looking at $1,145, and you're fully funded business when you're at that $1,000 level because you have access to all the other levels. And you can get paid on all the other levels, okay? Now, an example will be, and I'm going to show you that in a second, how that works, because we get paid 4 ways here, okay? Direct sales, pass-ups, roll-ups, and upgrades, okay? So, direct sales will be you actually selling directly to a person, okay? So, you'll get paid that way. And then your pass-up would be when you first join, you pay to join, and you're going to pass up your first sale. So that's a pass up. So we get the pass ups. Then we get roll ups because, for an example, let's say you came in at that 250 level. Okay. Let's say you came in at that 250 level and you already qualified. You've passed up your sale. And that person wants to come in at the 500 level. You only qualified to receive 250. Okay. So the other 250 would roll up. Okay. And then we get paid on upgrades. So if you come in, let's say at 250, you decide, well, I want to go to the $500 level. You're going to pay the difference, which is 250 plus the admin for the $500 level, which is 125. So that 250 will go up. That's an upgrade. Okay, real easy, simple comp plan. Now, I'm using, as a marketing system, I'm using what's called the Conversion Pros. I've been a part of that company for 2 years. And I pretty much have been using this marketing system for all my businesses that I operate. Now, it comes with a 7-day trial. No credit card is required, and you're going to get full access to the whole marketing system because you're going to use that on the front end to promote Pure Profit Pro. This program is $50 a month. You're going to be paid $25 for everybody you refer. So once you refer 2 people into this program, yours pretty much is free for that month, right? I mean, you're going to still pay it out of your, you're going to be debited the 50. But what I'm saying is once you refer 2 people, you break even, okay? And they pay every Friday. You can get paid via e-wallet or PayPal. You can decide that in your profile. Now, what I like about the Conversion Pros that I haven't seen with anyone is that you have unlimited contacts. Okay, unlimited mean I can have 10,000 people in my contact list. Most marketing systems don't have that. There's a cap. With the Conversion Pros, there is no cap. Okay, no cap whatsoever. Okay, so that's one of the main differences. No cap on that. And they offer affiliate training. You have unlimited autoresponders and, of course, unlimited capture pages. And you can purchase buyers leads inside your back office, okay, at a reasonable price. Now, I'm going to show you, because I'm moving really quickly with it, I'm going to show you one of the pages that I'm using for the Conversion Pros. Hold on one second. All right. Okay. So let's look at one of the pages. This is one that I created that I'm using. Let's see if it's going to load up. Okay. This is a page that I created in Conversion Pros. It's very newbie friendly, very easy to excuse me, to maneuver. Now this is a page. Now back to what I was saying back here. This particular see this link, I created that in the Conversion Pros. It's a shortener. Okay, that's one of the features that they have in this program. Okay, it's a shortener, and this way I'm tracking. I'm using it to track all my YouTube traffic. Okay, so I went over here, right here in the tiny URL. I can take any link and shorten it. Okay, so that's how I'm tracking all that. So when someone opts into my page and all the clicks, I can tell you I've got thousands of clicks. I've just changed the page. It was a different page, the picture, but this link is still the same, and I've gotten thousands of clicks on it. So even when someone opts in, it's going to tell me that that was from there, because I named it the YouTube link, so I know where that traffic came from. So as you can see, you get all this right here, guys, and much more. Okay, I pretty much stay between this autoresponder, email, broadcaster. This texting feature is awesome. This link rotator, I put people in a link rotator when I send traffic, if I have a bonus going, and that TD URL, and of course I'm always creating landing pages. Those are my favorites. But this is an awesome program. Like I said, I've been using it to promote most of the businesses that I've been doing for 2 years. Okay, and as you can see right here as well, see the tabs, you get webinar. There's lots of webinars on training. There's system training on how to use the system. There's videos for everything back here. There's affiliate training, generic affiliate training for anybody, no matter what business you're in. They teach you how to market your business. Okay, so you can see here all these videos. So it's very user friendly. And easy to create pages. We also have share codes. We have pages that's already pre-built, okay, as well. So you can nearly plug right in. Right here it says pre-built. You click that and there's pages already there. But of course, if there's pages my team want to, that they want to duplicate my pages, I can share my share codes with you. So very user friendly. So I'm combining the two, Pure Profit Pro and the Conversion Pros, to work my online digital business. Okay, guys. So I'm going to put the link below for both the Conversion Pros and Pure Profit Pro. Get started with me in this program. We have everything you need, a Facebook group. We have exclusive training for our team, an exclusive website, back office you can go into and get some exclusive training as well. So this is a great way to make instant money online, unlimited income stream. Okay, so click the link below. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a blessed day.